Welcome to our deep dive into high-performance data frames. Today we'll explore how Polars is redefining data manipulation, moving beyond the familiar territory of Pandas. If you're a developer or data enthusiast, you know Pandas has been the go-to tool for years. But as data grows and hardware evolves, new challenges arise. In this video we'll unpack how Polars, built on Rust and Apache Arrow, offers a fresh, parallel-first approach. We'll compare core concepts, performance, and show you how to rethink your workflow for modern data tasks. Let's get started by understanding the bottlenecks of traditional single-threaded tools. Pandas has been foundational for data analysis in Python. Its intuitive API and rich ecosystem make it a favorite for many. However, as datasets grow larger and hardware becomes more powerful, Pandas' architecture starts to show its age. High memory overhead and single-core execution are common pain points. Transformations often create multiple copies of your data, quickly eating up RAM. And because most operations are bound to a single Python process, your multi-core CPU sits mostly idle. Let's look closer at these bottlenecks and why they matter. Major technical hurdle for Python-based data tools is the Global Interpreter Lock, or GIL. This lock prevents multiple native threads from executing Python bytecodes at once, which means true parallelism is hard to achieve. For data-intensive tasks, this can be a real bottleneck. Even if your machine has many CPU cores, Pandas can't fully utilize them due to the GIL. This limitation becomes especially apparent with large datasets or complex transformations, where performance gains from hardware are left on the table. Enter Polars, a DataFrame library engineered from the ground up for speed and efficiency. Unlike Pandas, Polars is written in Rust, a language known for its memory safety and performance. Polars leverages Apache Arrow, a columnar memory format that enables zero-copy data transfer and highly efficient analytical processing. Its query engine is designed to automatically parallelize operations across all available CPU cores, eliminating the GIL bottleneck. This means you get fearless concurrency and can fully utilize modern hardware for your data tasks. The heart of Polars is Apache Arrow, a columnar memory format designed for high-performance analytics. Unlike row-based formats, Arrow stores data by columns, which allows for faster processing and efficient memory usage. This structure enables zero-copy data transfer, meaning data can be shared between processes or libraries without duplication. For analytical workloads, this translates to significant speedups and lower memory consumption. Arrow is a key reason why Polars can outperform traditional DataFrame libraries. One of the biggest changes Polars brings is a shift from imperative to declarative programming. In the imperative style, you specify each step, filter, assign group, and so on. This creates intermediate objects and executes operations step by step. In contrast, the declarative approach lets you define the end goal, and the engine figures out the optimal way to get there. This not only simplifies your code but also allows Polars to optimize the entire workflow for performance. See how imperative programming looks in Pandas. Imagine you want to filter sales over 1,000, create a new commission column, and group by department. In Pandas, you'd write each step explicitly, creating intermediate data frames along the way. This approach is familiar but can be inefficient, as each transformation may duplicate data and consume extra memory. It's a step-by-step process, and each operation waits for the previous one to finish before starting. Now let's look at the declarative style in Polars. Here you describe what you want. For example, the total commission per department for sales over 1,000. The code chains together expressions and the engine optimizes the entire plan at once. You don't worry about intermediate steps or objects. This approach is not only more concise but also allows Polars to execute the workflow in the most efficient way possible, often in parallel. See how both libraries handle reading data. In Pandas, reading a large CSV file loads the entire dataset into memory immediately. This can be slow and memory-intensive for big files. Polars offers two options: eager reading, which is already fast and parallelized, and lazy reading, which is even more powerful. With lazy reading, Polars scans the file and builds a query plan without loading all the data. This blueprint approach is key to its performance. Polars, the concept of a lazy frame is central. When you use lazy reading, you're not loading data right away. Instead, you're creating a blueprint for future operations. This allows Polars to optimize the entire workflow before any data is actually processed. Only when you explicitly request the result does Polars execute the plan, ensuring maximum efficiency and minimal memory usage. Selecting and filtering data in Pandas is straightforward. You select columns by name and filter rows using Boolean masks. These operations work directly on the in-memory data frame. While this is easy to understand, it can be slow and memory-intensive for large datasets, as every operation is performed immediately and often creates new copies of the data. Polars, selection and filtering are done using expressions. These are not executed immediately but instead become part of the query plan. For example, you can select columns and filter rows using Polars expressions, which act as blueprints for the engine. This allows Polars to optimize and combine operations, reducing memory usage and speeding up execution when the plan is finally run. Pandas, creating or modifying columns is often done via direct assignment. For example, you might calculate a commission column by multiplying sales by percentage. While this is simple, each assignment modifies the data frame in place, and chaining multiple assignments can become verbose. For more complex operations you might use, but this can still be less efficient and harder to optimize. Polars takes a different approach with its with columns method. Here you can define multiple new columns using expressions, all as part of the query plan. These expressions are independent blueprints, meaning Polars can execute them in parallel without waiting for one to finish before starting the next. This parallelism leads to significant performance gains, especially with large datasets. Key advantage of Polars is its lazy execution model. Instead of running each line of code immediately, Polars builds an optimized execution plan. Only when you call collect does the engine execute the entire plan in one go. This approach allows for powerful optimizations such as combining operations, reducing memory usage, and maximizing parallelism. It's a fundamental shift from the eager execution model of Pandas. Grouping and aggregating data is a common task in data analysis. In Pandas, you use the group by method to split data by a key, then apply aggregation functions like mean or sum. While the API is familiar and powerful, each aggregation is performed sequentially. For large datasets, this can become a bottleneck as each step waits for the previous one to finish. Polars offers a clean and expressive syntax for group by aggregations. You can define multiple aggregation expressions, and the engine can compute them highly efficiently, often in a single pass over the data. Thanks to its parallel architecture, Polars can process group by operations much faster than traditional tools, especially on large datasets. Remember, you need to call collect to execute the plan and get your results. Calculating complex group-wise metrics like a sales percentage of department total often requires multiple steps in Pandas. You might need to perform a group by, then transform or merge the results back into the original DataFrame. This can be cumbersome and may involve additional memory overhead, especially for large datasets. Polars simplifies window functions with its over clause. You can calculate metrics like sales as a percentage of department total in a single, clear expression. The engine performs the aggregation within each group without collapsing the rows, making the code more readable and efficient. This feature is incredibly powerful for advanced analytics and is executed in parallel for maximum performance. One of the benefits of Polars' lazy execution is the ability to visualize the query plan. This isn't just about delaying work, it's about enabling deep optimization. By inspecting the plan, you can see how filters and projections are pushed down to the file read stage, reducing the amount of data loaded into memory. This transparency helps you understand and trust the optimizations happening under the hood. Polars' engine is smart about when and how it loads data. Predicate pushdown means filters are applied during the file read, not after, so less data is loaded into memory. Projection pushdown ensures only the columns you need are read from disk. These optimizations are possible because of the lazy execution model and the declarative way you define your queries. Let's look at some real-world benchmarks. On a modern multi-core machine, Polars consistently outperforms Pandas on common tasks like reading large CSV files, group by aggregations, and complex filters. The combination of Rust, Arrow, and query optimization delivers significant speedups, making Polars a compelling choice for big data workloads. Your results may vary, but the performance gains are often tangible and impressive. Real power of Polars isn't just in its speed, it's in how it changes your approach to data manipulation. Instead of thinking about each step, you focus on the outcome you want. By chaining expressions, you give the Polars optimizer a complete blueprint, and it figures out the most efficient way to build your result. This mindset shift is key to unlocking the full potential of Polars. Sum up, Polars offers a modern, high-performance alternative to Pandas. Its Rust foundation, use of Apache Arrow, and parallel first design make it ideal for large-scale data tasks. The shift from imperative to declarative programming, combined with lazy execution and advanced optimizations, delivers both speed and efficiency. If you're working with big data or want to future-proof your workflow, Polars is worth exploring. Ready to try Polars? Getting started is easy. You can install it via pip and begin experimenting with its API. The documentation is thorough and the community is growing. Start by loading a dataset, try out lazy execution, and explore the expressive query syntax. You'll quickly notice the performance improvements, especially on larger datasets. If you're coming from Pandas, you'll find the Polars API both familiar and powerful. Many functions have similar names and behaviors, but with added performance and flexibility. The chainable, expression-based syntax makes complex operations concise and readable. You can quickly adapt your existing workflows and start benefiting from Polars optimizations. One of the standout features of Polars is parallelism by default. The query engine automatically distributes operations across all available CPU cores. This means you don't need to write special code to take advantage of your hardware. Whether you're filtering, aggregating, or transforming data, Polars ensures your machine is working at full capacity. Polars is built in Rust, a language designed for memory safety and performance. This means you get the benefits of low-level speed without the risks of memory leaks or unsafe operations. Rust's ownership model ensures that your data manipulations are both fast and reliable, giving you confidence in the results. Thanks to Apache Arrow, Polars can share data between processes or libraries without copying it. This zero-copy approach reduces memory usage and speeds up data transfer, especially when working with large datasets or integrating with other tools. It's a subtle but powerful optimization that makes a big difference in real-world workflows. Polars encourages you to write chainable expressions, making your code cleaner and more maintainable. Instead of writing multiple lines for each transformation, you can chain operations together, describing your intent in a single, readable statement. This not only improves performance but also makes your code easier to understand and debug. With lazy execution, Polars builds an optimized plan before running any operations. This allows the engine to combine, reorder, and eliminate unnecessary steps, ensuring the fastest possible execution. You get the benefits of advanced query optimization without having to manage the details yourself. Predicate pushdown is a powerful optimization where filters are applied as early as possible, often during the file read. This means only relevant data is loaded into memory, saving time and resources. Polars automatically applies this optimization when you use lazy execution, making your workflows more efficient by default. Rejection pushdown ensures that only the columns you need are read from disk. This reduces I/O and memory usage, especially when working with wide datasets. By specifying your desired columns in the query plan, Polars can skip unnecessary data, further speeding up your analysis. Polars engine is designed to perform aggregations in a single pass over the data whenever possible. This minimizes memory usage and maximizes speed, especially for Group B operations. By combining multiple aggregations into one efficient scan, Polars delivers results faster than traditional step-by-step approaches. Window functions in Polars allow you to calculate metrics within groups without collapsing the data. This is perfect for tasks like calculating running totals, percentages, or rankings. The syntax is concise, and the engine executes these operations in parallel, making advanced analytics both easy and fast. Polars lets you inspect the execution plan before running your queries. This transparency helps you understand how your operations are optimized and gives you confidence in the results. By visualizing the plan, you can see exactly how filters, projections, and aggregations are combined for maximum efficiency. Optimizations in Polars translate to real-world performance gains. Whether you're reading massive CSV files, running complex Group B operations, or filtering large datasets, you'll notice significant speedups compared to traditional tools. These improvements can save hours of processing time and make your data workflows more productive. Polars is designed to scale with your data. Its parallel-first architecture and efficient memory usage make it suitable for datasets that would overwhelm traditional tools. Whether you're working on a laptop or a powerful server, Polars adapts to your hardware and delivers consistent performance. Polars plays well with other tools in the data ecosystem. Thanks to Apache Arrow, you can easily share data with libraries like PyArrow or even pass data between languages. This interoperability makes Polars a flexible choice for modern data pipelines and mixed technology environments. The Polars community is active and growing. You'll find extensive documentation, tutorials, and support forums to help you get started. As more developers adopt Polars, the ecosystem continues to expand, with new features and integrations being added regularly. Polars is an excellent choice when you need high-performance, efficient memory usage and scalability. If you're working with large datasets, complex transformations, or require parallel processing, Polars will likely outperform traditional tools. For smaller tasks or when compatibility with legacy code is essential, Pandas may still be appropriate. If you're considering switching from Pandas to Polars, start by experimenting with small projects. Many concepts and functions are similar, so the learning curve is gentle. Take advantage of Polars' documentation and community resources to ease the transition. As you become comfortable, you'll find yourself reaching for Polars more often, especially for demanding workloads. Future of DataFrames is bright, with tools like Polars pushing the boundaries of performance and usability. As data continues to grow in size and complexity, libraries that leverage modern hardware and efficient memory formats will become increasingly important. Polars is at the forefront of this evolution, setting new standards for what's possible in data manipulation. Recap: Polars offers a high-performance, parallel-first alternative to Pandas. Its Rust Foundation use of Apache Arrow and lazy declarative approach make it ideal for modern data tasks. By thinking in expressions and outcomes, you can unlock new levels of efficiency and scalability in your workflows. Whether you're a developer, analyst, or data scientist, Polars is a tool worth adding to your toolkit. Thanks for joining us on this journey beyond Pandas. If you're ready to experience high-performance data frames, give Polars a try, explore its documentation, experiment with your datasets, and see how it can transform your data workflows. The future of data manipulation is here, don't miss out.